Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add text. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding text to your Lucidchart diagram is a straightforward process that is essential for enhancing clarity, communication, and organization. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to your main dashboard we're in. If you haven't already, click the new button that would forward you to the blank document, or you can start to create from template. For example, if we're going to use anything from here, from Agile, brainstorming, processes, meetings, planning, research, teamwork, systems, education, partner. So it's up to you. What do you want template that you wanted to use? In my case, I'm going to be choosing the sprint retrospective. If you click that, just click this button right here and we would be forwarded to this option. Wait for it until everything has been loaded. All right. Because if you add text to your Lucidchart diagrams, basically, it can identify each shape, node, or connection represents. It provides clarity in workflows, especially for working with multiple freelancers, especially, for example, this one. All right. So, for example, I don't know, let's say I'm a student. Click on continue. Wait for it to load. Educator, maybe, right? I don't know. Since we give you how-to's video, so I'm an educator, kind of. Click the open again, and here we will be forwarded to the diagram. We're gonna put in some text here. It's very straightforward and easy. All right, so here, for example, we're going to put in, oh my God. So I'm just gonna copy this for now. Click on next. All right, so here, all I have to do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on text. All right. And from here, you can put any text that you wanted. All right. You see that? And of course, the text is highly customizable. You can choose from any of the following font style. And of course, you can make it a little bit bigger if you want. See that? You can hover down here. And of course, from there, you can also put in a different color. For example, we're going to be using maybe blue. So that's that. Apart from putting a text here, you might want to go to the section right here that says images, so we can add some image. All right, so we can drag this image alongside the text that we have added. All right, so basically this can create a segmented section with headers or groups under labeled categories, making your complex diagram a lot easier to read. All right, from here you can drag this, make it a little bit bigger, underline, and of course, not italize, and that's that. That's basically how you add text here in Lucidchart. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.